From the Industrial Revolution to today's information age, from the primitive economy to today's e-economy, the world's economic system has undergone several major transformations. As a result, quality of life has been improved. But sadly, the contamination of water, which the human race relies on for its survival, is increasingly serious. Over 70% of the human body is made of water. For example, the 75% and 80% respectively of the heart and brain is water. Besides oxygen, water plays a vital role in our life. It enables the body systems to function properly. Water can detoxify, lubricate joints, help digestion, regulate body temperature, and promote metabolism. Adequate intake of water is vital for good health. Man created civilization, but he has to pay a costly price for all the modern facilities and conveniences. The increasingly serious water pollution faced by human race is an indisputable fact. 20 years ago, water pollution was mainly caused by impurities and bacteria, and water could be easily purified by boiling. 20 years later, drinking water contains a variety of pollutants, including herbicide, pesticide, parasites, heavy metals, chlorine, industrial chemical wastes, chemical fertilizer, detergent, filterable virus, acid rain, dioxin, and etc. Poor wastewater treatment technology allows these cancer-causing pollutants to enter the water supply system and reach every household. Eventually, they enter our body when we drink the water. The lack of pure and clean water has caused many chronic diseases and illnesses for the modern man. These include kidney failure, contagious diseases, arthritis, hypertension, skin diseases, digestive disorders, cystitis, gallbladder stone, migraine, cancer, hepatitis, and others. Kidney patients are on the rise rapidly each year. When one suffers from such a disease, the rest of the family suffers too. It is not only physically torturing for a kidney patient, but also financially and mentally taxing. The kidney is our body's natural filter. Water consumed in human body cleanses and eliminates wastes through bowels and kidneys. Our kidneys filter some 2 liters of wastes in every 16 minutes. Drinking polluted water may overwork the kidneys and lead to kidney failure, cancer of the gallbladder, and kidney diseases. For the sake of health, you should install a water purification system either at home or at your office as your third external kidney. There are numerous types of water purifiers sold in the market. Generally, a water purifier should have the following basic functions: filters the chlorine and sediments contained in the water, makes fruits, food, soup taste better, preserves the natural tastes of drinks. In fact, the functions of a water purifier are more than that. Let's take a look at the history of water treatment systems. We can notice that whether it is purification by the traditional filtering system, distillation or active carbon filter, or by deposition, all systems are used to purify drinking water. The purer the water, the safer it is for consumption. The purpose of inventing and manufacturing any water purification system is no other than to produce pure and safe water. Until now, what is the most advanced water purification technology? Scientists at NASA of the United States spent over $4 billion and some 30 years to research and develop an advanced water purification system. This system is called the reverse osmosis RO technology. Reverse osmosis is a process whereby water is forced through a semi-permeable membrane by applying strong pressure at the water source. This will force water to flow from the high concentration side to the low concentration side by way of reverse osmosis. By this process, microparticles and harmful substances at the high concentration cannot penetrate the highly precise RO membrane and will be flushed out from the cleanser outlet. only water molecules and small amount of radicals smaller than the pores of the reverse osmosis membrane can penetrate the membrane as purified water. Today, there is a product in the market which combines the technological advancement of the United States and Japan. This product is called BioPure. It allows ordinary consumers to enjoy this state-of-the-art technology once exclusively enjoyed by astronauts. It's fast gaining popularity since its introduction in the market. As a consumer, how should you make your choice? I have a filter pore size of 0.0001 micron. Water contains lots of pollutants invisible to the naked eyes. These include heavy metals, bacteria, virus, pesticide, herbicide, and radioactive particles. Therefore, a good water purification system should reject and discharge these contaminants from the water. Why a filter pore of less than 0.0001 micron is so important? A normal filter pore has a pore size of 0.3 micron and cannot filter virus of 0.02 micron or pesticide and herbicide having 0.001 micron. As such, the normal filter will not produce pure drinking water. Only filter with pore size of less than 0.0001 micron, which is some 500,000 times smaller than a strain of hair, can form an effective barrier to reject floating solids, microparticles, bacteria, and virus to ensure that the filtered water is truly pure. For the health of your family, you should pick the best quality water purification system. BioPure Reverse Osmosis Water Purifier from Elkon has filter with pore size smaller than 0.0001 micron. It can effectively remove virus, bacteria, pesticide and herbicide. It produces water which is pure and safe for consumption. Some may ask whether such a precise filtering system will also remove the minerals dissolved in water along with the contaminants. But in reality, minerals dissolved in water do not have many effects on our body. There is an ongoing debate over this issue in the water purification industry, but it is no longer an issue in the medical community. According to the Journal of American Medical, the most influential medical publication for the American medical profession, minerals that human body needs should come from food and not from tap water. Question 2. Whether the filtered water is really pure. Whether a water purifier can produce truly pure water can be determined by a simple test of electrolysis. Some people have denied the reliability of this method in determining the purity of water. But is it true in reality? American water expert and WQA, Water Quality Association USA, member of the Education and Ethics Committee, Mr. Michael R. Long says, electrolysis can effectively test the purity of drinking water. This is also the simplest method used by the USA Food and Drug Administration (FDA) to test the quality of drinking water. The water authorities of Malaysia and other countries are also using electrolysis to test water quality and educate the public through television programs. In order to raise the awareness of the public on electrolysis, the government has included the subject in the chemistry syllabus of Form 4. The chemistry textbook used for the unified examination for independent Chinese secondary schools has also incorporated electrolysis as one of the topics. Testing of water purity by electrolysis is a widely recognized method. It has been featured in media. Electrolyzers can be legally purchased from any store selling scientific equipment. Students learn the electrolysis method at school laboratories. The principles of electrolysis are very simple. The nitrates, lead, sodium, calcium, arsenic, heavy metals and other minerals contained in tap water will cause the flow of electrical current between the anode and cathode of the electrolyzer. This causes the water to look cloudy. The water becomes cloudier if it contains more ions. Otherwise, the water will appear very light in color. Question 3. Can a purifier discharge rinse water? Water contains numerous dissolved solids and impurities. When such substances pass through the filter, They will be collected in the filter element and discharged away as rinse water. This rinse water must be discharged so that the pure water can be produced, otherwise the dissolved solids and impurities will be a hazard to the body. BioPure Reverse Osmosis Water Purifier has 4 filters to ensure that you will get water which is 99.99% pure. The first one is a 5-micron filter. It filters rust, sand, microorganism and asbestos. The second filter is made of compressed granulated activated carbon. It filters impurities such as organic compounds, odors, smell, bleaching agent, chlorine, and carcinogenic trichloromethane. The third filter is the superb reverse osmosis membrane of 0.0001 micron. It filters pyrogen, bacteria, virus, herbicide, pesticide, toxin, and heavy metals such as arsenic, lead, cadmium, mercury, metal ions, and radioactive substance. The third filter removes these dissolved impurities from water and discharges them through the outlet hose. An automatic membrane cleanser cleans the membrane to discharge the so-called rinse water. The discharged water can be used for washing the floor, laundry, car, and other purposes. This is a unique feature of BioPure Reverse Osmosis Water Purifier, which other purifiers don't have. The fourth filter is made of high-quality compressed granulated carbon. It filters residual organic compounds to ensure the water quality. As you can see, a good water purifier should be able to discharge the rinse water to allow water to pass through the membrane and gives you the peace of mind. Question 4. Whether the energy in the water is suitable to the human body. Water has energy. When pure water is treated with bioceramic, which releases far infrared rays, the rays will activate the water molecules and produce energized water. This energized water contains high energy, activated, highly absorbing and dissolving water molecules clusters. The minute water molecules clusters can easily penetrate the nucleus of cells, thereby eliminating toxins from the body and promoting metabolism. Question 5. Is the pH of water ranging from 5.5 to 8.5? Water has a pH of 1 to 14. And what is the pH acceptable for the human body? World-renowned nutritional expert Dr. Lei Jiunan says in one of her books entitled The Joy of Returning to the Heart, the pH of pure water should preferably range from 5.5 to 8.5. Water purified by BioPure Reverse Osmosis Water Purifier has a pH of 6.5 to 6.8. This range is nearly neutral and suitable for human consumption. Drinking water with too low or too high pH is no good to a healthy person. High pH water is only suitable for those having health problems. A healthy person should think twice before drinking water of high pH. Reverse osmosis water purifiers have contributed significantly to our health and mankind. In his books on health, American Nutrition Authority Bruce Miller strongly recommends reverse osmosis water to patients suffering from cancer, diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol, and menopause symptoms. BioPure Reverse Osmosis Water Purifier has won numerous world-class honors and certification, including ISO 9002 certification, the best-selling water purification system in Southeast Asia, member of the Water Quality Association WQA, Water Quality Association WQA Gold Seal, USA Food and Drug Administration FDA's approved material, USA National Sanitation Foundation NSF approval on water pump, activated carbon filter, reverse osmosis membrane, John Guest Quick Connect fittings and tubing, Australia CB test certificate on AC adapter, ABS food grade casing and Cerium safety mark.